So we start off today's video with this major hair transformation. She has dark black hair and decides to switch it up with this platinum pixie. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Love this dramatic hair transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So our next transformation does feature a big chop. She has a braided ponytail here. And she ended up getting a nice tousled bob haircut. Beautifully done. And then we see a rather unique pixie style. Loving the color combination on this. A bit of pink, some blonde, some blue, some black. Just absolutely stunning color work. And then we have another long to short transformation. So her hair is pretty long. I'd say maybe about waist length or so. It looks like the stylist is going to be doing a layered hairstyle for this one. And then he did cut the hair to around mid-length, kind of did like a wolf cut layered style. Very nice transformation. And this of course is one of the hottest trends that we are seeing in 2023. Love the way that the curtain bangs frame out her face. She looks amazing. And then we move into this beautiful bob haircut. This one features some bottleneck bangs, center part down the middle. And then next up we have another really interesting hairstyle. So she has a platinum bob and the stylist is adding in some black ends. I think that this color combo is absolutely gorgeous. I wish that we would have been able to see how this looks when the style is finished, but just getting a look at him applying the color is very inspiring. And then we have a platinum choppy style pixie. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now platinum is a hair color that a lot of people thought was going to be going out of style for this year, but it has managed to continue to make a strong impact on the hair community, and a lot of women are gravitating towards this hot hair idea. Next up, we have another long to short transformation. So she ends up getting a pixie style, beautiful swoop bangs to frame the face. Very nice shape and overall texture for this particular haircut. And then we have someone with a shoulder length blonde hair. Looks like she's getting some color here. Layers to frame out the face. Oh, wow. So he did curtain bangs. Very interesting color mix. Hot pink, some purple. Wow, this is gorgeous. Very nicely done. And then we have another color transformation. Looks like she's actually in for a color refresh. And she ended up going with this really pretty turquoise hue. Very nice. Very bold and vibrant. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.